S equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Point is 3 comma 4. The question is, find the position of the point. Find the position of the point. Position of the point with respect to given circle. With respect to given circle. ఇచ్చిన బిందువు దృష్ట్యా ఇచ్చిన వృత్తము దృష్ట్యా బిందువు యొక్క స్థితిని తెలుపండి. ఇచ్చిన వృత్తము దృష్ట్యా బిందువు యొక్క స్థితిని తెలుపండి. To find out the position of the point, we are supposed to find out the value of S11. What is meant by S11, sir? X1 square plus Y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. How to obtain that one? Substitute 9 plus 16 minus 12 minus 24 minus 12. 16 plus 9, 25 minus 48, that is minus 23 less than 0, lies inside the circle. Lies inside the circle. వృత్తమునకు అంతరముగా ఉండును. So to find out the position of the point, directly substitute the point in circle equation. If it is positive, lies outside the circle. If it is negative, lies inside the circle. If it is equal to 0, lies on the circle. Based on this, you can have practice of these two problems which I am going to write down now. You try to practice these ones, or else you can name these ones as homework problems. Number 1, S equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0, and the point is 1, 5. Second problem, S equal to 2x square plus 2y square minus 5x minus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. Point is 4, 2. One more also you can take up for practice purpose, that is S equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. P 2 comma minus 1. To these three problems, you have to trace out the location of the point with respect to the circles given against them. This is one model in our second exercise, that is exercise 1b of circles chapter. And next model problem we shall take up, that is, or you can put model 1, model 2, model 3 like that also, nothing happens. It will be advantageous to us only. And model 2, let us say model 2. Find the power of the point. Find the power of the point with respect to the circle, with respect to the circle given. తెలుగులో ఇచ్చిన బిందువుకు వృత్తము దృష్ట్యా బిందు శక్తిని కనుగొనుము. ఇచ్చిన బిందువుకు వృత్తము దృష్ట్యా బిందు శక్తిని కనుగొనుము. S equal to x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal to 0, and the point is 5 comma minus 6. What is the power of the point? Write down power of the point. Power of the point is S11. Bindu Shakti S11. Directly you substitute this point in the given equation. 25 plus 36 plus 40 minus 72 plus 15. 25 plus 15, 40. 40 plus 40, 80. 80 minus 72, 7. 80 minus 72, 8. 36 plus 8, 44. That is power of the point. Bindu Shakti. Daniki Telugu peru Bindu Shakti. Power of the point. In this model, you can take up 2 problems as homework or assignment, whatever the name that you may take, but the task is to solve the problem. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Point is minus 1, 1. Second one, S equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 23 equal to 0. Point is 2 comma 3. Heading once again I will repeat. Find the power of the point. Under that heading we have done the model 2 problems. Now third model is finding out length of tangent. Finding out length of tangent of the given point with respect to the circle. Let us take up this one as model 3. Model 3. Find the length of tangent. Length of tangent drawn from, find the length of tangent drawn from given point to the circle. To the circle. Under that heading, our present problem is S equal to x square plus y square minus 25 equal to 0, and the point is minus 2, 5. Find the length of tangent. What is the formula for length of tangent of a? Length of tangent drawn from a point. Drawn from a point means here is a simple point that we are supposed to observe. From a point means definitely the point lies outside the circle. Like this. Find the equation of tangent at the point means point lies on the circle. The propositional importance is very much there. At means point will definitely lie on the circle. From means point will lie outside the circle. So this PT length you have to find out. For that, the supporting formula is length of tangent is root S11. How to find out root S11 value? Directly you substitute and obtain square root of that one. 4 plus 25 minus 25. Root 4. What is root 4 value, sir? 2. PT equal to 2. That is length of the tangent. Here is one point that we have to discuss. For all the 3 models, the applied formula is same, but the position of the point geometrically will differ. Among the power of a point and location of the point, length of the tangent, definitely the positional difference will be there. particularly related to the given point. Here, in this model, our assignment or homework is number 1, s equal to x square plus y square minus 14x plus 2y plus 25 equal to 0. P 5, 0 comma 5, let us take. Find the length of tangent. Unfortunately, in some books, equal to 0 they haven't given. Circle equation equal to 0 we should have. Now, second problem for assignment is s equal to x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Point is 2 comma 5. Point is 2 comma 5. Find the length of tangent drawn from that point to the circle. This is model number 3. Next model, our next model is, here you take up, please put the heading, that is, if the length of the problem is, if the length of the tangent drawn from 5 comma 4 to the circle s equal to x square plus y square plus 2ky equal to 0 is 1 unit. Then find the value of k. Find the value of k. If the length of the tangent drawn from this one to the circle is 1 unit, then find the value of k. తెలుగులో ఇది రాసుకుని వృత్తమునకు 5,4 బిందువు నుండి గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖ పొడవు 1 యూనిట్ అయితే, సర్కిల్స్ కాదు ఇక్కడ, సర్కిలే, 1 యూనిట్ అయితే k విలువ ఎంత? In this present problem, he gave one circle equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2ky equal to 0. Point P 5 comma 4. Length of tangent is root s11, root 25 plus 16 plus 10k is equal to 1 he gave. That means if you see the diagram, suppose this is the circle and this is tangent. This length he has given as 1 unit. Point is 5 comma 4. And circle equation he gave. What is the circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2ky equal to 0. Then what is the value of k? Here you see 25 plus 16 is 41, root 10k plus 41 equal to 1. 10k plus 41 equal to 1. 10k equal to minus 40. K equal to how much? Minus 20. When length of the tangent is given, equation is given, point is given, to find out unknown value, that is k, we have taken up, applied the formula s11, root s11 for length of tangent, and we equated that one to given length. Finally, we got the unknown value k, which is nothing but minus 20 in the present problem. Our next problem is here, you see. Next problem of same model, I will leave that one as homework to you. That is, I will write down the problem. Circle equation x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. Given point 2, 5. Length of tangent is root 37. Then find the value of k. Length of tangent is root 37. Then find the value of k. This also I will do. Of course, this is also of same model, but the circle equation differs here. What is the formula for length of tangent? Length of tangent is equal to root S11. What is root S11, sir? 4 plus 25 minus 10 plus 20 plus k equal to root 37. Here k 25 plus 4 29 plus 20 49 minus 10. 49 minus 10 is how much? 39. K plus 39 equal to 37. K equal to minus 2. That is equation of the circle. Okay. That is the value of unknown constant k when the length of the tangent drawn from a point to the circle is given. Let us take up next problem, that is here our next problem is, this is an essay type question. Write down the lengths of tangents drawn from point P to the circles S equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. S dash equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0 or in the ratio 2:3. Then find the locus of P. That is the problem. తెలుగులో P బిందువు నుండి ఈ రెండు వృత్తాలకు గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖల పొడవులు 2:3 నిష్పత్తిలో ఉంటే బిందు పదమును కనుగొనుము. What is the meaning of this problem? Here we are having two circles, sir. This is first circle, let us say this is second circle. Here is a point P. We don't know the coordinates of that point. Let us say you can take up xy or x1, y1 or hk according to your convenience. So I will take up x1, y1. From this point, two tangents were drawn to these two circles. Let us say PA, PB. This PA by PB ratio is 2:3. Then what is the locus? To find out locus, let the point be point B, P x1 y1. Length of the tangent, length of the tangent from P to A, that is from P to the circle S equal to 0. First circle I will name it as S equal to 0. Second one I will name it as S dash equal to 0. So that is PA. What is the formula? Root S11. What is meant by root S11? Substitute here. X1 square plus Y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12. And length of the tangent from P to S dash equal to 0, that is PB. Root S dash 11. Root of x1 square plus y1 square, second one, plus 6x1 plus 18y1 plus 26. What was given in the problem? PA by PB equal to 2 by 3. Squaring on both sides. PA square by PB square equal to 4 by 9. Here 9 into PA square equal to 4 into PB square. 9 into, what is PA square, sir? Square of this one. X1 square plus Y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12 equal to 4 into PB square, x1 square plus y1 square plus 6x1 plus 18y1 plus 26. I am sorry, I will write down here, plus 26. Bring all values to one side. 9x1 square minus 4x1 square, 5x1 square, 5y1 square, 36x1, 24, 60x1, 54y1, 72, minus 54, minus 72, minus 126, minus 126y1, 9 12s are minus 108, 4 26 are minus 4 26, 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 minus 104, and put together 8 plus 4 12, 212 minus 212 equal to 0. Locus, replace x1 with x, y1 with y. 5 into x square plus y square minus 60x minus 126y minus 212 equal to 0. This is the locus subject to the given condition which was mentioned in our present problem. This is among essay type questions. This is very important question, particularly in our examination point of view. What we have done here? Two circles were given, 1 point. We determined lengths of tangents for from the point to two circles, and their ratio he gave, squaring on both sides, cross multiplication. We got two expressions on either side of the equation, equality symbol. Bring all values to one side. Finally, we will get this equation. To find out locus, replace x1 with x and y1 with y.